Hello students, in this video we are going to solve 6 power a plus 6 power b and this is equals to 42 and a plus b this is equals to 3. Here we will find out the value of a and b. Here let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. Equation number second is a plus b this is equals to 3. Now value of b is equals to 3 minus a. Then this b is replaced by 3 minus a. Then here 6 power a plus 6 power b is replaced by 3 minus a and this is equals to 42. 6 power a plus, here we will apply base and exponent rule, a power m minus n this is equals to a power m divided by a power n. If we apply this rule, then 6 power 3 divided by 6 power a this is equals to 42. Now here 6 power a and here 6 power a. If we apply substitution, if we substitute 6 power a this is equals to x. Then in left hand side we have exponential equation. 6 power a is always positive if a is belongs to real number. It means this x is greater than 0. Here 6 power a is replaced by x plus 6 power 3 is 216 and divided by 6 power a is replaced by x this is equals to 42. Now in numerator, denominator part is x, so if we multiplied both side x and here x is multiplied by x, then we get x square plus x is multiplied by 216 over x, then we get 216 and this is equals to 42 times x. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x square minus 42 times x plus 216 and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of x. X square minus 42 times x plus 216 and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply middle term split and then find out the value of x. X square minus 42 times x is same as minus 36 times x minus 6x plus 216 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully first two terms. Here if we take common x, then x minus 36 and here look carefully these two terms. If we take common minus 6, then x minus 36 and this is equals to 0. Now x minus 36 and this x minus 36 is common. X minus 36 is common, then x minus 6 and this is equals to 0. Now product of two algebraic expression is equals to 0, so we can say x minus 36 is equals to 0 or x minus 6 this is equals to 0. Then here value of x is 36 and here value of x is 6. We have two possible values of x. Here we have two possible values of x. First value of x is equals to 36 and second value of x is equals to 6. We know that x is 6 power a, so this x is replaced by 6 power a this is equals to 36 and this x is also replaced by 6 power a this is equals to 6. Now look carefully. Here 6 power a this is equals to this 36 is same as 6 power 2. Now base is same, so it means power is also same, so here value of a is equals to 2 and here 6 power a is equals to 6, so it means 6 power a this is equals to this 6 is same as 6 power 1 and here base is same, it means power also same, then a is equals to 1. Now first case a is equals to 2 and second case a is equals to 1 and we know that a plus b this is equals to 3. If a plus b is equals to 3 and value of a is 2, then we can say value of b is equals to 1, and here value of a is 1, then value of b is equals to 2. So our solution a comma b, this is equals to, if a is equals to 2, then b is equals to 1, and if a is equals to 1, then b is equals to 2. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.